Yes. Welcome to my channel again. This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom. Today too, I will be explaining things in English and Japanese due to my Japanese viewers too. Kiyomo, Tete desu. Kyo daini freestyle daini o oshirunde zei yarimashou de boku Tokyo ni sundete oshieteru shi ato ironna kata to enso shitari ironna tokoro de enso shiteru kara musician tachi moshi percussionist to yaritai datara zei meru rendaku moraeba zei nantonaku naru. Ato benkyou shitai kata mo zei rendaku Tokyo ni sunderu Yokohama chotto toku dattara ikenai nde chikaba no shito tachi Tokyo, Yokohama, Chiba, Saitama toka ne. Moshi toku dattara enso de sore wa zei ikeru nde rendaku demo shite kudasai. Okay, let's go. This time we're going to come again with the freestyle part 2, number 2. It's freestyle. And always I want you to add the mute to it. Okay, so you can keep building up with 4 basic sound, not 3. Not only tone, bass, and slap. Ne? Minasan mo tone, bass to slap daket kawa nai de mute mo idete so shitara yotsunaru. Ne? So shitara ii kanji. So this is the rhythm for freestyle number 2. Very simple and just unique. Okay, I know when you practice a little bit you're going to be better. So quickly, korewa choto kantana mot kantande denshu sureba yokunaru to mo denshu shite kudasai. Kore kara yukuri o oshieru. Let me go through it very shortly and slowly. I said shortly. Let me go in very slowly so that we all can learn something. So it's going to be tika tum tiking, tika tum tiking, tika tum tiking. But don't forget I'm left-handed, so anytime you watch my video and you are right-handed, make sure you play on your right hand side. Boku idadi kikinan desu kedo kono video miteru de migi kishito dattara migi de yatte kudasai. Okay, so this is how we go. Tone, slap. One more, moikai. One more, moikai. One more, moikai. Okay, so tone slap, tika, tika. Let's go, one more. Okay, next is doom, tsugiwa, bass, high. So let's see. Okay, pretty good, very good, very good. Let's try again. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, moikai yarimashou. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Moikai, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Ikanji. Okay, the tugi is tugi wa ano mute idedu. So we're going to add the mute, which is titin. Ne tugi mute ilete titin. Kite kudasai. Let's listen to A. So make sure you bring up the mute strongly. A mute tiyoku yadeba rhythm gazembu ikanjina. So let's continue practicing. Let's continue playing. Tika ting ticking, tika ting ticking, tika ting ticking. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I know you're doing good, but you still got to be practicing and get it more easy. Yateru katawa zei then she stay moto jozu nadu yoni. I'll be back with the number 3.